Alright guys, I promised you a video about what I'm planning to do on my car. These are not in order, and it's this car. It's right here, hood scoop. I do not want the regular Legacy hood scoop. I want the WRX because I don't think the Legacy looks as good. Second thing, you can't really buy this, but paint the rear view and the door handles. Paint those white. And paint my wipers, the front and the back ones back here, white. Third thing, spoiler to go out over the back. Then new exhaust. It sounds like a Prius. The other day, not the other day, but a few weeks ago, a little hole in it. Sounded like a straight pipe fit, and it was a heat sensor, and so that's out. I also want, I don't know if you guys know, but the little pins that go from right here to here, and they're supposed to be like support things, but I mean it's obviously on there good enough so it stays on. And white mud flaps. I just want everything to be like matching white pretty much, except for a few things that I want black, and you know what else. And then not much for the interior, except I kind of want racing seat belts. I don't know where exactly I'll put that. Since you guys haven't seen the inside of it, I'll show you the inside now. It's very clean. Special. Stock. I want to get it cold air intake. There's my suds. Well, there's this. And then I'll show you my, it's all stock, sadly. Cold air intake because it would replace from here all the way up and that is a lot of room for this stuff that I need. So, right. And I want to keep it light as well. And that's about it. I will talk to you guys later.